This is Carlos Alvarado, and this will be for MPA 570 Week 2. Quick overview, we'll be talking about the problem analysis, the current policy, and the stakeholders. And my topic is hate crimes. So we'll be presenting the stats from 2019 and 2020. In 2019 to 2020, in LA County alone, 25%, it's a 25% increase. The total number for offenses in LA County was 594 for 2020. And then for California, in total, the percentage that it went up from 2019 to 2020 is about 23%. And the total hate crime offenses was 1,563 compared to 2019, which was 1,261. And in the national level, in 2019, the total hate crime offenses reported was 8,559, and in 2020, the total hate crime offenses reported was 11,129. That's a 30% increase. So as you can see, between the local county 25, 23, and then California at 23, and national 30%. So it shows you that California is not that high as the nation, and LA County is just like 5% away from the national. Okay. So there is current policy and law that is for regional and federal. California does have their penal codes for hate crimes, and these are listed right here. The main one is 422.55, and the federal penal code is 18 USC 245. The government agencies that are involved in implementing or enforcing the policies are local enforcement, also state police enforcement, and also the federal, which can include the FBI and other federal agencies. The stakeholders that are involved are these nonprofits are the Southern Poverty Law Center, National Urban League, the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People. These are just some of the few nonprofits that have there. So there's also other nonprofit organizations throughout the nation. And their interest would be just to help others that have been victims of hate crimes, teach others about the policies that are in effect, and just they're there just to also to for concerns of the citizens, like they take up to so they'll go to take concerns like by protesting and having people collecting signatures, and most of these are here to help the victims of hate crimes. Some of the websites that I used was justice.gov, fbi.gov, openjustice.departmentofjustice.ca.gov, and the LAPD online website. Thank you for watching.